Now then viewers, it's Jamie House 252 here, or Jamie Nicholas Adventures around Yorkshire. Right, welcome to a brand new video. Right, so today I'm back on the Hornsea Rail Trail today, and I can see there, I'm at Swine Railway Station. And this is where I ended a month ago. So today's video is going to be from Swine Railway Station behind me here, through to Old Ellerby Railway Station. And the video for this channel, for this part 4, will be out on my main channel on Sunday at 3 PM or 4 PM. So this will be out on Sunday, guys. So let's get into the video. Right, so as you can see behind me, guys, I'm at Swine Railway Station. And this is where I stopped a month ago, so... Just had my lunch, so... Whoops. Yeah, so this is Swine Railway Station, guys. And this is where I ended my last video a month ago. And it's absolutely boiling today, guys. It's really, really warm. That's why I'm wearing shorts. Right, so this is Swine Railway Station, guys. And the whole platform is leaning on the growth there. That's the whole platform. And the Hornsea platform is down there along the station house. And remarkable so far on this section of the line, guys, is a brick building there, and that was the... And this was a former signal box. And this was the former signal box at Swine Railway Station, which is back up there. So this is the foundations for the signal box. And it still survives along the Hornsea Rail Trail. As you can see, it still survives. Big gaping hole where the signal box used to be. The signal box used to be up here. But this is a brick base. So this was the signal box bottom, guys, this was. So Swine Railway Station, the platforms were staggered either side of the level crossing, which is just in front of me there. That was a level crossing. Yeah, this was a level crossing what I'm just heading towards now. This is I'm in the open countryside now, guys. So here, right here is where the level crossing used to be. You just come from down there from Hornsea, and you stop over there at the Hull platform. As that way is back towards Sutton on Hull and Hull. Then this way is towards Hornsea. So this is Swine Railway Station, guys. And this line closed in 1964. On the 17th of October 1964 it closed. I've just had my lunch there. So this is Swine Railway Station, guys. So I'm a bit further down from Swine now, guys. So Swine's back up there. A bit further along now, guys. And now I'm approaching this house here. And this is back from the railway area as well. Crossing Keeper's Cottage or something. Yeah, so that's an old building there. That still survives along the rail trail as well, with 2 posts. There you go. Farmyards. Oh, right up all there. Yep, there. Yeah, that's house there, guys, and that's part of the railway area as well. The next station on this line, and there's the platform. And that's a bit of the platform edge here. That was the down bit. But this is the down platform towards Hull. Yeah, this was the down platform towards Hull. So this is Skirlaugh Railway Station now, guys. So this is the down platform to Hull, and that's the up platform there, which is to Hornsea. So I'm on the Hull platform here. So this is Skirlaugh Railway Station now, guys. And there's a Hornsea platform there. You can still see bits of it, which is there and up there. You can see bits of the Hornsea platform, but not as much, as this is in a woodland area. But this is Skirlaugh Railway Station, guys. And this is the next station on this line. And this was another small railway station, which the farmers solely relied on the railway. So this is Skirlaugh Railway Station, guys. Picket fence survives a little bit, but not much. And this was the end. This was the end bit of the platform, which has slipped away since it closed. Yes, this is Skirlaugh Railway Station, guys. Huh. Bit of a thing there, guys. Bit of a thing there. That's what the purse used to run on across this line. It's one of the purse, that is. There's somebody's been drinking up here there, on the bottles and everything, and cans. And that's the up platform towards Hornsea, which is heavily overgrown, but you can still see bits of it through the undergrowth. But the down platform towards Hull is in a remarkably good condition. So this is Skirlaugh Railway Station. There's some other down platform towards Hull, and that's the up platform towards Hornsea. But the station house has long been demolished since the line closed in 1964. But the platforms still survive. So this is Skirlaugh Railway Station, guys. Swine's back up that way and Hornsea's back up that way. So this is Skirlaugh Railway Station. So this was the cattle platform, this was, which is hidden in the undergrowth. So this is another survivor of Skirlaugh Railway Station. The Skirlaugh Railway Station is back through there. But this was a cattle platform. where the ship, what the farmers used to use to load their stock on. To load the stock on market days. It's all the way along, up to there, and that's where it finishes.
Right.
Yeah, good, thank you. So this was the cattle platform, guys, where the farmers used to load their livestock on market days to go on the train to go back towards Hull or towards Hornsea. And that's where that ends. So it ends there. That's where it ends. Look what I've just found here, guys. I found an old bridge there, near the old railway line, and a little bridge here. And the crossing is a railway sleeper. And railway sleepers all along. And this is just a bit down from Skirlaugh Railway Station. So that survives on the Hornsea Rail Trail as well, which is part of the railway history. Sorry. Yeah, so this most of my family survives as well. So this is part of the railway history as well. So I just thought I'll put that in for you guys. So I'll see you when I get a bit further on. Here you go, guys. I'm approaching Old Ellerby Railway Station now, Old Ellerby. And there's a bit of a fence in there, so that's toward the end of the platform. But I'm approaching Old Ellerby Railway Station now. And this Old Ellerby Railway Station closed in 1902. Here you go, there's Old Ellerby. And this station closed in 1902. So no evidence of the old of the platforms remain. Actually, you can just see the platform there. You just see the platform there, guys. So this is Old Ellerby Station, that closed in 1902. And there's the platform in there. So this is Old Ellerby Railway Station, guys. And there's the platform there. There's no country road, this. Yes, that's Old Ellerby Railway Station, guys. There you go. Carved into the wood. Ellerby Gatehouse. So this was Old Ellerby, guys. No private residence. And there's an North Eastern Railway thing on the plaque over there. But I can't go in there because it's a private property, so that's Old Ellerby Railway Station. And the platform, what you can see in the undergrowth, it's there. Now I'm on a country road. So this was Old Ellerby Railway Station, guys. And that's back towards Hull. Then if you come down here, that follows it again. And there used to be a level crossing down here as well. Well, this station closed in 1902. So this is Old Ellerby. There you are, no evidence of the platform remains that side. But the platform remains over there, hidden in the undergrowth. Right then guys, I'm going to end today's video for today. So, and where I am now is Old Ellerby. So this is where I'm going to enter this footage, and then next time there's two stations that was named Ellerby, and this is the first one. This was Old Ellerby, and there's New Ellerby further up the line, but more about that in my next video. So I'm going to end the video for today, guys. Thank you very, very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also stay tuned for the part number 5 coming soon. So Old Ellerby Station, today's stopping point. Right, so I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.